This girl here follow me, you know. I don't know if you can see her. She's pregnant. Pregnant! You see what I show now? And look on the video where she come in pan. And guess what she say? Watch Rose money. I got some other people. Pregnant, brother. This a girl here, she look like she have all her family already. Just look. And here she follow me too. But we're not even talk about the follow, you know. That's what I say. But bro, you have a daughter right here. You have kids. And you must sit down in the comment section. I go up on the other people, some of the other people.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat and it can't see. Pan on the screen. Life is nice and life is sweet for Akeem. He's really doing it big. People putting out the comment section where you think about that because he is watching set comment sections all over the place and he's noticing the bad mind and hate. You know what I mean? And it's not coming from men. It's coming from women. Listen, I say, especially women with children. You know what I mean? You don't know the thing set. A lot of them is getting it on TikTok. And a lot of them is using it to good use. And you can see the upgrades with Akeem. From the clothes to the vehicles to the houses. You see what I said? But a lot of people is attributing that to ROSEALEE's success. And basically coming out and saying that ROSEALEE money do it. You know what I mean? I will give you my point of view at the end of these clippings. But let's just take a listen to what he has to say. And then we'll proceed with the next.
Alright then. I'm going to turn the camera. I want to see the comment here, bro. And me I go show you say. And the point where me I try get to, it's not even me, bro. It's not even me. I'm a people when me have me back, will support me. Yes, what me I say? Little clothes when me put on is a problem, bro. Just little clothes. Me if naked, watch ya, look what that girl ya say. Me tell you say girl them get bad mind. Look what that girl ya say. And the gifter them woulda never find me. Woulda never find me and send me evil one galaxy. And send me. Yes, what me I say? Just look what the girl say. And the gifter them woulda never find me and send me a galaxy. Bro. Blatant. Bro, you don't want to see no more than that. You don't want to see no more than that, brother. Bro, it's not me who do the people them nothing, bro. I people them support me, bro. The people they hate me for. Especially woman them, brother. Me they think I man them bad mind. This a girl here when me show you she have her kids and me I continue to show no up, you know. This a girl here have her kids, them and no worry I say a rose money. Miss, me tell you something. No woman no mind me. I mean I want nothing from Rose. Me can tell you that from now, yeah? So if you don't want to hear, me can tell you no. I mean more if you give Rose not give me. Yeah? So make me tell you no that we don't know little idiot narrative. Yeah? 90% of the time them when me rank more than Rose. So what me do with my money? She can't tell you that me rank more than her. Anytime me come on this con rank, me rank more than her. So what me I do with my money? Eh? Me have a bigger support system than Tickers over here. Meaning gifts. She can't tell you that. So what me do with my money? Use it name shit with it? No woman no give me nothing. And if me left her a morning, she can't come tell you that. Cause her mouth bad. Yes what me I say? If me and her break up a morning, she can't come tell you that. No woman no give me nothing and me mostly give she. Yes what me I say? Everything. You see it, me no sit down, me never say yo, and me can tell you the truth, me never say yo. A girl never helped me out before, you know, bro. If me sit down up here and tell you say a girl never helped me out before, me that be one wicked pussy hole. Me reach faces when me drop on me. Me reach stages when me drop on my face. You see what me have say? Where a woman have to help me. But you see when me get back on my foot, me be the man where me supposed to be. Me just did one little help for just get back on my foot. And you see when me get back on my foot, me be the man where me supposed to be and do what me supposed to do. And return the favor again. You see what me say? Me no business where woman want to say. No girl nah mind me over here. No woman, no farmer, female nah take nothing no give me. Every shoes and clothes when me wear a fee me money buy it. Every car when me drive, a fee me money buy it. You see it? Me more if it give them to feed them thing. Nobody no give me nothing. You see what me say? Me can tell you no that from now, a fee me money. Or as uno can say it, me gift her them money. Me say it in a fool no way, uno want it. Me gift her them money by me. There? Yes, me gift her them. No rules when me there with. No. Cause yes when me come over here, so bro, me rank more than her. I can ask her that. When me ready for throw a pint span board, me throw a pint span board. So what me I do with my own? I save it. No, me just want to know. Cause she must be one friggin' idiot. She catch up her yard and I take her money, give me the all boat. And she sit down her yard. Bro, listen to me. You see me and Uno and the same thing. I'm going to tell you now with Jamaican people. Uno so used to getting handout, it is crazy. Yes, when I say you know so used to getting handout, it is crazy. So no reflect that on other people. Make me tell you know why I say so. I beg for your living, you know. Yes, when I say over here so me come and beg. It blatant when me do. Uno can walk me on the eye and see what me do. I beg. Yes, when I say all always we are some beggar time. But let me tell you what Uno do. Uno sit down and wait for people for go no. You see it? Uno no come sit down over here and say if uno can bake some taps in on the screen and look at roses. Uno sit down and wait for people and love handout, bro. You see what me I say? And when people handout look more than food no one, uno criticize the people them go suck on no mother. Every time people handout look more than food no one, cause nobody no work for them having a Jamaica, you know. In a food no mind, you know. Yes, when anybody anytime nobody and don't look more than phone no criticize them. All you no own a friend no bad mind dog. If you no have a friend in no grow and everybody has strive, bro, but that the man they look like he must strive a little bit more than anybody else, the whole of no bad mind him and talk bad about him and want to kill the man. Bro, me not know the people when me live round. The people when me live round, from long as a girl start rise, is either she suck good or this and that, or man a shit pan or a foreign. If a youth start rise, him suck pussy or him fuck body. Anytime nobody and don't look more than phone no one and bring them down, dog. Uno come with all that big narrative, yeah. Oh, Rose money I spend. Me and uno on the same thing. Uno stop reflect my life on phone life. Uno stop reflect my life on phone life, bro. We are not the same, bro. We are not the same. Stop reflect my life on phone life. If uno people in my mind, uno, and the thugs them, if uno girl in my mind, uno, we are not the same thing. And the girl them, listen to me. If you no hungry out here and mind man like dog, you no reflect it on me woman, cause she not mind no man. Surely not maybe she mind next man when me no know about, but she surely not minding me. Only man she me know she mind right now a barbar. Not me. But you see some boy we used to get the mind and jealous to me talk about that. The man them we used to get the mind and jealous over it and things say she over here dash money for me. No uncle. No father. No father. That you me no sit down and do that. No girl can, no woman can tell me go suck up my mother and suck pussy boy and them thing there. So therefore, me get up and me work for me own, bro. Me get up and me try get me own. Me no sit down and make nobody can tell me how much me use me tongue all, but me no do that. Me no do that on my own. On my own, me no do that. Me no know who I want to get that narrative there from. Me know it's sweet, yo. Say a girl used to rape, but no woman no mind me, uncle. I tell you, no woman no mind me. I mean proudly I say it almost 3,000 people for my life. None. So me no know who I want to get that narrative you from, brother. You're sick? She will come talk that. She can't come talk, yeah. Look for me, a young little boy, young green bud. Here's what I say. And me can't tell you no, God bless me. Me bless in a way where me live quite comfortable. God bless me, bro. I'm highly blessed and favored. Here's what I say. I don't have to sit and take handout from no female. Yes, when I say anything I want, I come and beg for it on TikTok. I see him work me and my woman do. Yes, when I say, I see him work me and my woman do. So, you see, all I want a little Ray, you just leave me alone, bro. Me not even soon, dog. Yes, when I say, me not even soon. Bro, I can tell you something. Don't get me wrong, you know. You see, woman, especially the woman, them will say, oh, me not mind no man. Them mind man like a dog. I can tell you from now. You see what I say? But, you see, the woman, them, listen to me. I want you to listen to me carefully, bro. You have, me now go say, as a man, you read certain places by your faces, you have girls will help you, bro. Help you get up and build back yourself as a man till you get back on your foot where you can stabilize this female. A woman, listen, a good woman will help you. Yes, what I say? When you're there on your face, Rose never meet me on my face. And when me meet Rose, things was just only getting better and better. Things was just only getting better and better. Yes, what I say? I'm better off than how me ever better off in a life. So, I'm saying that to say this. Woman not give me nothing for that. Nobody. Me come and beg for what me want and me no squander it. Me no go sit down and buy no fuck with it and sit down a club daily. Most I party them when me go a book, me get book for them, I pay, me get pay for go them. Yeah man, you know see me itch up now where I done my money. Most I party them where you see me go, I pay, me get pay for go them. Dream weekend where you see, best weekend where you see, at that alone me squander a little. Because me have to have time for leisure. But every day, countless and nights, me there saw me at Tops and Roses. And me get bring down go, me get bring down come. Me get bring down go, me get bring down come. And me sit down and hold it like a man. And hours me there and me go so see the Tops, me team, Tops, Roses, Tops, team, Roses, Tops, Roses. And then cuss me go and then cuss me come and me sit down in night and then cuss me go and then cuss me come and me sit down in night and then cuss me go and then cuss me come and me sit down in night. Sit down in it, bro. I saw me get my little 2 pence here, dog. I saw me catch my little dollar. Yes, what me I say? I saw me catch my little dollar. Me no squander it, bro. Me no make a money and make it be turn me in a fool and go braff it and floss it off. I saw me make my little dollar. Me come here every day and me beg little tops and me beg little roses. Me beg little money gun, me beg little galaxy there. So me is a beg a ton. No bad mind me for me and not even for me. A people wanna give me it. Me is a beggar ton. A people won and me look support of them. See there? One dime me get your name right. One Dundee Mond. You see? And them help me over here. And them help me over here. And chat, sometime a good thing me watch all screen record to sometime. Because me have somebody in my WhatsApp, me see over them chat. And me I say, that girl here in my WhatsApp, me see her over me chat about with me and Rose, over feed them chat about with me and Rose. I just block her and I say, watch her now. And as my no man, me nah do that man. I want girl that used to dare with me before me and Tickers used to do it. And she dare with me lick like time them when me and Tickers do it. And I see them in them comments. I'm there on wow. You can see people face but you can't see them blood clot heart in a youth.
Okay, people, here's my take on the situation. Is Akeem fake? No, because Akeem did thank ROSEALEE and the Lord above for giving him a bus back in life. Because when, Babylon, they lock him up for the lock up him and figure it out for 1 night. You're sinting, them come out of jail 2 days later and them couldn't even pay the rent, no nothing. Them they dump on them feet. You know what I mean? Snowden and them, I guess, them couldn't even help him at the time and all of this stuff. You know what I mean? So they thank ROSEALEE for a bus back. And since then, in no look back. You know what I mean? They might work the apps every night and all of these things. And they saving money. And, living life. It's a man I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, what a thingy. Akeem said, the woman, them a pressure him. You know what I mean? And that's why he is throwing a dance for his girl. Yes, ROSEALEE is keeping a birthday party. And Lava is hosting it. And as you can see, the caption on it, it say, this amount the girl them, yeah, $1,000 my people, for the couple hundred them and $20 admission. You see, man, I say. But anyways, people, instead of giving them a quick update, what I go on for not to go on with the T list of them. So do the right thing, and you know what? Subscribe to the king and turn on the notification bell. You see me? Bless.